Architecture is a service. It is intrinsically human and empathetic. And as architects, we are authors who define space for people and human well-being. As architects, we are both kind of spatial and visual communicators. So we generally do that through drawings, physical model making, and explain that to other people, or at the client, the community, or other people that we work with in the built environment discipline.
In the early stages, we can be the ones designing and have this high-level concept, but when we actually want to bring it to life, we also have to bring in different consultants, structural engineers, builders, and they also have their own impact on the project. So it's all about guiding everyone to achieving the same solution for this problem.
The studio environment in architecture is really important. It's where we spend a lot of our time discussing briefs, coming up with ideas. We get to learn from real architects, but sometimes we do learn from our peers just because we spend so much time together during studio time.
Architecture is this great responsibility and has this great impact on both people, communities, and the environment. It's about making these memorable experiences for people to improve their lives. It's to bring people together in communities, defining spaces that encourage that social interaction, and it also considers the environment, so bring that together with people, which is very important now with climate change.
Architecture plays a huge role in our fight against climate change, and at UNSW, we explore how different materials can impact the climate in different ways. In my final project, I tried to create spaces for both introverts and extroverts. The goal was to create different spaces for different kinds of people.
Studying at UNSW, and the biggest advantages is, and this may sound weird, but it's really bringing the reality back to architecture. As a student, I always thought architecture is all about designing, it's about creating high-level concepts. A lot of the rest of architecture is about bringing this design and this really important concept to life.
In terms of student life, I've been lucky to be involved in UNSW Architecture Society for the 3 years I have been studying my undergraduate. It was really exciting to be surrounded by a lot of like-minded students and people who are really passionate about architecture, but passionate about the same things in architecture and how we can kind of improve our planet and our daily lives of people. And it's essentially why I kind of wanted to come to UNSW in the first place, was that I felt that my values really aligned with the university.